Hey guys, today is November the 18th of 2013 and I want to go over the euro and just give you my thoughts and my opinions. So know that this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. With that being said, let's get into the charts. Okay, so right now, this is a pivot date I have. We got two dates here, cluster right here, and we got here. So this is a September 6th low, 25th high. The next cluster date will be the 19th. 19 is going to be a big day for me. I wonder if the euro is going to continue going higher, and then tomorrow, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a big day right here. So I went long Sunday session. I'm in from 34.80, and it's trended pretty good. I'm going to show you some levels that I'm going to be covering, and then see what the euro is going to do from there for tomorrow. But just wanted to give you a heads up on that. So today you got three dates. It looks like it got some Momo today, so it's broken out of this consolidation for the last maybe 2 days, 2 or 3 days. And then this is the date that I'm watching. I have my eye. This is the one with the most hits, actually, the 19th. This is the Gann emblem. And then you got the 26th, and then you got the 1st. And then my geometric, I got, which I don't show because, I don't want you to confuse you with this and this. This is two different calculations, but when they cluster, to me, the probabilities are bigger. So today we got the 18th, then the 20th, and then the 21st, and then that's it for November in geometry. But this is where we at. So let's go into the charts. All right, so these guys are stops. These are stops too, from people that are long and short. So this is kind of like the stop hunt area. And this is where we're at right now at 15, 16 around there, live data. Trend line number 1. It's right there right now. It needs to get above here so it can continue trending higher. Just wanted to show you that. So that's resistance number 1 as of right now. Andrew's pitchfork. Resistance number 2. Needs to get above all this right here, pretty much. And I don't know if there's another interest pitchfork, and then that's the bigger one. So you see that? All right, so let's take all that out. And that's all right there right now where price is at. So you got to keep an eye on that. Swing long. You went above 35.07, which is that 45%, so you're good there. Let's get this. Nothing there. You're still above that pivot low, which is good. But that's not the swing I wanted to get. The swing what you want to get was this one. 35.56. It's the 65% level right here. So we're going to build a case from right there. Then we go to price retracement. You got the 50%. So 35.56. The 50% is 35.63. So let's take the swing low out of this. So you can see 35.63. You go and add the next price retracement from this swing low to swing high. You got the 50 right here. You're above it. So that's good. The next one, which is this swing low to this swing high, you got the 25%. So 35.63, 35.63, cluster level. 50 and 25 from two different set of swings. I think that's where price will probably go as of now. Put the swing low, boom, you got the pyramid 65 from ABC structure right there. So I'm just showing you a cluster of resistance just looking at this technique. Let's take all this off, and I think that's it for this chart. I haven't done a swing short because I'm waiting for this to do a failed new high and then take it from there. So pretty much something like like this. A, B. Once that B is set, then ride that. They say this is the biggest wave right here, wave 3. The swing, yeah, I think that's it. Nothing else I wanted to show you. So that's where we at right now. Key levels I want you to remember. Let's get in here. So right now this is my price grid, and it looks like we want to get to the 50, and it's going higher. I'm really excited. The 50 is at 35.34 right there, and then you got an angle. If we lower this a little bit, you got an angle right here that could be resistance. So somewhere around here, you got the 20, you got this other angle. So this angle is 35.57. Remember the dates I told, the prices I told you from the last chart, and then you kind of see how everything could cluster together. 35.56 is right here for today. 35.57 for tomorrow, and the 19th. That's a date that I have for possible turn. So this thing could mobile all the way up, even up to here, and hit this 20. Fake out some people here and hit it up here. So let's look at the bigger grid from the 511 high, and you see right here, this right here is the 1x1. So this one's very important right there. You get above this bad boy and test it and have a fail new low, this sucker is going to go all the way up to test this high of 38.31, which is that 38.2 Fibonacci level right there. And you might have resistance right there. So that's the game plan. You got resistance at that 20, you got that 1x1, and you got the 50 right now. That it's going to be resistance. It's going to test it, and it's probably going to fail and pull back down. But I'm going to be watching it, because if it's going to pull all the way back down, I am going to, get my pips in. But right now I'm watching it as a hawk. And then let's glance this chart real quick, and then go to the big picture, and then wrap it up and watch the U.S. session start. So right now you're above the Kumo cloud. You see when it came down here and it found support right there. Sunday night's open. I got in at 34.80, and right in this bad boy up to here. So this could be resistance right here. This could be resistance. You got the Cajun indicator right there as resistance. You got the 20. You got some woodies right here. So this is a nice little cluster of resistance. And then I haven't looked at my other charts to kind of confirm these and see what's the probability. But I'm just kind of just winging it and just showing you what I see. If we go to the weekly, and the weekly, if we get closer here, you got the Tenkin right there. That could be some, and then you got this other indicator right there, and that's 35.62. 35.57. You see, so there's a lot of stuff right here, and if it wants to really, shake the bears, you could go all the ways as a tip of the mobile, 36.39. But I don't know if it's going to get that far. But you never know. And you found support right here on the 34.89. Bounce right off of it. So let's look at the big picture, and we'll wrap it up. You know the drill. I got monthly, weekly, daily, and a 12-hour. And you see that we have been trending higher. Looks like I need to lower this a little more. Oops. Wrong chart. Anyway. TEMA from here, positive, everything. There's a big spread right here between the 50 and the 5 and 20 right here. So I don't like that. That could be setting up for a snapback. And I'm watching this like a hawk. Very overbought on the 12-hour. Get the trending higher. Same thing here. So you got the Momo positive right here, trending higher, overbought. Cycles are up. Oops. So that's good. And this, like I said right here, in the CCI, the spread is pretty strong. If this thing gets above the 50 line, then it probably could continue higher. Positive. And this hasn't changed yet, but the trend has been going higher. This is a 50 level. So, we got to see what it's going to do when it hits the 50 and what's going to do when it hits the 20. You had the full moon on the 15th. So it looks like maybe things probably want to go higher. Maybe it wants to retest the 38.31. We'll see. Weekly, no Fisher buy signals yet. So, I mean, you're kind of getting like a hockey stick. But the same thing there. Kind of trending lower. But, that's where we're at right now. It's just going higher. And this is going to be, the moment of truth. This area right here with the 1x1 angles and those prices I gave you from the first chart. keep your eye on that. Good trading, and I'll let you know my thoughts tomorrow, how it all played out. Peace.